that, not by just playing. What happiness? You are just wasting your time. And you don't know what is the purpose of life. What is the most important thing in life. And you don't know what will happen after death. So they don't know that just they forget marriage state. And when they die, they will be born in a woeful state. So it's very worse if you have to suffer in the woeful state. These are not happiness. You won't enjoy this anymore. So we are in the elusive world because of this wrong vision. So we think it's very, very happy. So we just spend our life for enjoying sense pleasure. And we don't know when we die we are going to be born in a woeful state. So just like the moths that plunge into the fire. So the moths, they don't know the nature of fire. So, the fire is very bright, very they're desirable. So they plunge and they get burned and they die. So we don't know that we are going to be born in a woeful state. So we are enjoying. So it is very important to know the real nature. So what the Buddha said is correct. This ignorance blinds us not to see the real thing. Now like in meditation, so we say when you can develop this jhana, the jhana, rupa vajja jhana, the mind becomes pure. So no arising, the defilement, lobha, dosa, moha anymore. Then you can see this ultimate reality very clearly. Arising and dissolving very clearly, you can see. So you can see the real world. So only in that real world, you can get the true knowledge. We call insight knowledge. 10 insight knowledges. Then you will get the path wisdom, the highest wisdom. Then you can eliminate all these lobha, dosa, moha totally, and you enjoy eternal bliss of Nibbana, the unique bliss, the highest bliss in life. And you can enjoy that in this real life if you undertake meditation strenuously and correctly.
咁咧我哋呢個黐呢個心所咧係障礙我哋睇到呢個世界真相嚇，所以咧調翻轉嚟講咧，就係、如果我哋能夠去除呢個痴心咧，我哋就可以睇到呢個世界嘅事情嘅本質係乜嘢。咁呢一點係非常之重要。咁喺阿比達摩系統入邊咧，我哋將呢個真理咧分開兩個層面啦。咁第一個咧就叫做世俗諦世俗嘅層面。咁世俗嘅層面咧係建基於事物嘅表面嗰個狀態嘅嚇。咁例如咧如果某人殺咗某人咧，咁喺世俗諦入邊咧呢個係成立㗎，因為咧喺表面上係真係有一個人殺咗另一個人。咁同時喺世俗嘅層面入邊咧，我哋可能要照顧自己嘅小朋友啦。咁到年紀大嘅時候咧，個小朋友照顧翻我哋啦。咁呢啲咧都係世間法入邊嘅一啲嘅責任啦，咁係必須要同行嘅。咁但係咧呢啲都係從呢個世間世俗諦嘅角度去睇嘅。咁喺世俗諦入邊咧，我哋從表面去睇咧，我哋會睇到的確係有五蘊嘅存在啦。咁由於有五蘊嘅存在啦，咁有所謂靜啦，即係好嘅嘢啦，或者快樂嘅嘢啦，咁所以咧我哋就會有一個執着隨之而產生嘅。咁另一個層面咧，就係、用一種比較深入嘅角度啦，或者觀嘅能力咧，去睇清楚呢個五蘊入邊個真諦係點樣嘅。咁我哋又叫第二個層次嘅真理啦，就叫聖義諦，或者我哋叫究竟嘅層面嘅真理。咁用呢個喺聖義諦嘅角度去睇啦，或者究竟法入邊去睇啦，我哋係睇唔到有一個實在嘅身體存在嘅，所以咧我哋睇到身體一個實在唔可以分解嘅身體咧係唔存在嘅。咁由於咧唔可以，因為佢唔存在啦，你唔可以對一啲唔存在嘅嘢產生執着。咁所以咧你嘅貪欲心亦都會冇咗。咁同樣道理啊，頭先講到你睇到呢個世界唔係常有我淨嘅，咁你個貪欲心一冇咗咧，你最後咧就可以得到覺悟啦。咁覺悟咗之後，無明亦都會冇晒啦。咁你咧就可以將心咧安置喺涅槃嗰度，咁咧就享受呢個即係永恆嘅狀態啦。咁 咁如果調翻轉啦，我哋咧係唔具備呢種能力嘅，我哋係俾愚痴障礙咗嘅話咧，咁我哋淨係可以睇到世俗諦層面嘅嘢。咁世俗諦嘅層面咧，我哋真係睇到咧係有實體我嘅存在，同埋咧啲嘢係靚嘅。咁所以咧，我哋就先至會產生執著。咁譬如咧，我哋睇戲啦，睇戲睇到好多好靚嘅嘢啦。咁我哋咧點解會覺得佢靚咧？因為我哋係從呢個世俗諦角度去睇啊嘛。咁所以咧，我哋係因為有呢個愚痴同埋呢個心所影響之下，先至會覺得嗰啲嘢靚。咁所以凡親我哋講靚嘅嘢咧，其實都係建基於喺愚痴上邊，係一種幻象上邊。咁所以咧，我哋會睇到啦，譬如咧，又舉個另一個例子啦，喺如果你睇到好遠嘅地方，你好口渴睇到好遠嘅地方有啲水喺度，咁你咧會產生一種好開心嘅感覺啦，一個貪欲心出咗嚟。咁其實咧嗰啲水咧，其實係海市蜃樓嘅反應影像嚟㗎，其實唔係真實嘅。咁但係由於你有一個貪欲心啦，你有愚痴啦，咁所以咧，你以為嗰樣係真實嘅，咁所以咧，你真係會感受到貪欲心，真係感受到快樂。咁但係調翻轉啦，假如你有呢一個能力睇到真相嘅，從一種究竟化嘅層面去睇佢，你知道嗰啲其實係幻象，係海市蜃樓嘅。咁就算你真係睇到水咧，你係唔會產生呢個執着嘅，因為你知道嗰啲係假。咁同樣道理啦，一般嘅人咧，佢係俾愚痴嘅影響之下咧，佢咧就執着一啲好短暫嘅嘢，本質上唔快樂嘅嘢咧，佢就嘗試去追求。咁當然啦，毫無例外地咧，最後佢哋只會揾到痛苦嘅啫。咁例如咧，有啲譬如喺一啲西方美國嘅人咧，佢哋都好強調去追求感官嘅慾樂嘅，想盡辦法去追求。咁因為咧佢係俾愚痴障蔽咗。咁例如一啲喺倫敦嘅人啦，佢哋咧經常要劈酒啦，飲好多嘢去灌醉自己啦。咁雖然咧喺短暫嘅期間內，因為愚痴嘅影響咧，佢哋真係覺得好快樂啦。咁但係好快咧，因為佢係建基喺唔真實嘅情面之下咧，好快佢會感受到係只係痛苦啊！第日醒咗之後個頭好痛啦，咁要好辛苦好耐先至可以擺脱呢個宿醉嘅。咁所以咧因為建基喺假嘅嘢上邊去追求咧，其實會最終都係得個苦字嘅。咁我哋喺現代物質世界入邊咧，亦都不停咁創作一啲新嘅物質出嚟，咁等人哋追求例如呢個 iPhone iPad 等等咁咧，其實你走嚟篤下咧，其實你好快就冇咗嗰種嘅樂受嗰啲啦，因為你睇到個真實嘅情況。咁所以咧一般人咧佢咧不停咁樣去追求一啲唔真實嘅嘢啦。咁以呢個苦啦，以為係樂啦，咁結果咧佢只會好快咁耗上自己善業，咁最後咧可能會死咗之後咧就會墮入去呢個惡道嗰度。咁所以咧個痴咧就好似另一個比喻啦，痴咧就好似一隻燈蛾咁樣咁咧佢咧就見到火咧佢就撲過去㗎啦。咁咧佢唔知道其實嗰啲火咧係會傷害佢㗎。咁但係喺愚痴嘅狀態之下咧，呢隻燈蛾咧都照撲嗰啲火嗰度結果咧就燒死咗自己㗎。咁我哋喺未經過修行嘅時候咧，亦都係有類似嘅狀態。我哋咧俾愚痴嘅影響之下咧，會去執着一啲會傷害我哋嘅嘢。咁透過修行咧，我哋由呢個欲界心啦，修到去色界禪色界禪。喺色界禪出翻嚟之後咧，個心係非常之清淨嘅。咁咧就唔再受呢個貪嗔痴嘅影響。於是乎咧就可以睇到呢個事物嘅真相係乜嘢。咁然後咧繼續去禪修嘅時候咧，就引發呢個出世間心啦。最後咧係證得去涅槃啦。咁就建基於即係呢個事實上究竟法上嘅一個狀態涅槃啦。咁所以喺嗰個狀態之下咧，我哋揾到永恆啦同埋快樂。
Can you show the mental picture chart again? Chart number 2. Yes. So, the second last paragraph of page 77. There we say, Moha is the leader of all the immoral mental factors. And Moha and his three compatriots, Ahirika, Anottappa, and Uddhacca, associate with all immoral consciousnesses. So they are known as Akusala Sadharana. So, where are we? So here, no, only in, I'm sorry, just page 76. Page 76. So I'm sorry. So we are discussing this, why they are not, you cannot see. What happened? Okay. So this Moha Chatuka, a group of the four benefactors, with Moha as the leader. So these four, they associate with all immoral minds, with all these 12 akusala citta. So they are known as akusala sadharana. So sadharana means associate. So it associates with all immoral minds. And we perform immoral actions with these immoral minds. So that means all immoral actions have these four mental factors as the background force. As the background force. Because we are ignorant of reality, especially like karma and result. We don't know. It is also due to moha. Then, so ahirika, so lack of moral shame, shamelessness, we say moral shamelessness. It is not a shame to do immoral deeds. And Anottappa is not afraid to perform immoral action. And then Uddhacca makes the mind restless, so that you cannot think seriously. So we perform immoral actions. We don't know the real thing. So they are the background forces for performing all evil actions.
咁咧呢四個心啦，呢四組啦嘅心咧，就我哋叫做由呢個痴啦作一個引導，佢哋都具備痴嘅狀態嚇，即係話咧唔了解真相。咁咧呢四種嘅心所咧，我哋叫做遍一切不善心所。咩意思咧？就係喺所有欲界不善心入邊咧，我哋都睇到嗰張表啦。咁呢個心引發即係生起嘅時候咧，佢必須具備呢四種心嘅心所嘅。咁咧換言之咧，就係喺我哋做錯嘢嘅時候，或者做一啲唔好嘅嘢時候咧，最後推動我哋嘅就係呢個痴，同埋另外嗰三個嘅心所法。咁佢哋作為最後一個推動力，推動我哋去做錯嘢。咁譬如咧，我哋因為睇唔到真實，所以我哋先會做錯嘢。如果我哋睇到真實，我哋就唔會做錯嘢㗎。所以咧，所有不善法都係由呢四種因物咧作為背後個推動力嘅。所以咧，我哋譬如啦，呢個無愧無愧咧，即係意思即係你做某個人做錯嘢之後咧，佢唔怕嗰個惡業嘅後果。咁佢點解唔怕咧？係因為佢睇唔到，所以佢先至唔怕嘅。如果佢睇到，佢就唔會去做，就會怕。呢個就係遍一切不善心所背後嘅意思。
And page 77 again, at the last paragraph of the page 77. So we say moha is opposed to wisdom. And because of that, moha is also known as avijja. So avijja, it blinds our minds so that we cannot see the real thing. And especially on the next page, 78, we do not know karma and result, and we don't know the Four Noble Truths because the moha blinds our mind. And we don't know our past existence, our future existences. So if we don't know the Four Noble Truths, we shall never get enlightened. So unless we can eliminate the moha, then we cannot be enlightened as noble person.
呢個痴咧又叫做無明啊。咁啊無明嘅意思咧就係指乜嘢咧？就係指咧對業嘅運作嘅情況啊，例如呢個因果關係睇得唔清楚嘅。特別咧係指呢個對四聖諦睇得唔清楚，呢、個無明啊。咁呢個無明一出現咗之後，即係痴一出現咗之後咧，咁我哋咧就會障礙咗啦，跟住會做一啲唔好嘅事情啊，傷害自己嘅事情。咁透過禪修啦，我哋去除咗呢個無明之後咧，就會成為一個聖者啊。咁我哋就唔會再做呢啲。
And then we go to the next one, ahirika. We call it moral shamelessness. So, because of this ahirika, we are not ashamed to perform immoral actions, immoral speeches, and immoral thoughts. So, not like we say moha blinds us not to know karma and result. And also it blinds us not to know what is good and what is bad. Not just like stealing, killing, and then sexual misconduct. So, these so that the morally wrong. But as the moha blinds the people. So some people they don't know that they are morally wrong. So they are easy to steal other people's property, to cheat other people's the money. So they think, oh, these people they are foolish. They have to walk the whole life. We are clever. We can just cheat them, steal them. So they even think stealing, cheating is no shame. They say they are morally not wrong. They think. So because of that, the people they perform immoral actions because of ahirika.
咁跟住咧，下一個咧就係、呢個無慚啊！無慚咧，即係話無慚啊，即係話咧冇咗一種對自己做錯嘢，或者對一啲唔道德嘅行為咧，冇辦法生起一種羞恥嘅感覺啊，覺得醜嘅感覺啊。咁就包括喺行動啦、語言啦，或者思想嗰度。咁當一個人咧生起咗無慚之後咧，佢咧睇到自己做嘅嘢嘅時候咧，佢係唔會覺得有羞恥嘅感覺啊。譬如佢偷嘢，咁佢偷嘢咧嘅時候咧，佢唔單止會覺得偷嘢係喺道德上係冇錯嘅啊，甚至佢覺得啱嘅啊。因為咧佢從表面上睇就係話咧其實偷嘢咧可以喺唔使付出好大嘅努力就可以得到一啲嘢啊。咁既然咁樣，又何必咁辛苦去工作去賺取一啲嘢翻嚟咧？咁索性直情係偷人啲嘢就得咯。咁佢點解會咁樣諗咧？就因為佢受到呢個無慚嘅影響啊，佢睇唔到嗰個因果嘅關係啊，所以咧佢唔覺得自己有做錯嘢，所以佢係唔會有羞恥嘅感覺。
The anuttapa is moral dreadlessness, fearlessness, moral fearlessness. So that means it is not afraid to perform evil actions, not afraid, not scared. Because again, it does not know that the karma is the result. They don't know the karma is the result. So we say even when you kill a fish or a chicken, so immoral mind, dosa, mula, cheta will rise by billions during the killing. And you will get the immoral karma by many billions. So you kill only one chicken. Now when you have to suffer, so you will be killed a billion times. So that is bad karma. They will condition you to be born in hell. So in hell you have to born die, billions of existences. Even when you escape from hell, you will become the animals and you will be killed many existences again. So very dreadful. So the consequences. We know that we are scared to perform evil action. But now those who are not scared, so they are having this anuttapa as a driving force to perform evil actions.
咁跟住下一個咧就無愧啊，無愧即係意思咧就係冇咗一種對錯誤嘅行為、道德上錯誤嘅行為咧產生應該要產生嘅一種嘅恐懼感啊。咁點解要恐懼咧？即係譬如咧當 當一個人殺生之後咧，殺一隻雞都好啦咁咧，如果佢睇到究竟嘅層面嘅咧，佢會即刻睇到將來自己投生嘅話咧，會投生到可能咧一啲好慘嘅情狀態，譬如可能落到地獄嗰度啦，咁跟住就係好耐啦，但係好耐之後咧，再投胎咧，可能又變咗其他嘅動物，跟住然後咧就俾人哋殺翻轉頭啦。咁佢當下一做呢個行為，佢即刻如果佢有能力睇到知自己做嘅行為嘅結果係咁樣嘅話咧，佢應該要生起一種懼怕嘅感覺嘅。咁於是乎呢種懼怕感覺咧，就會幫佢係唔會做錯嘢嘅。不過如果喺無鬼嘅狀態之下咧，人咧係唔會有呢種懼怕感覺，所以咧佢不停咁做一啲錯嘅事咁於是乎咧就會即係頭先講不善行嗰個心所咧就會加強咗，會加強咗。咁所以咧呢個無愧嘅意思咧，真係冇一種對應該要懼怕嘅嘢產生懼怕嘅一種嘅情緒。
And number 4 is uddhacca. Uddhacca is restlessness. So it makes the mind to be restless. Now, like when you see a flag in the wind, the flag will be fluttering. So the same thing, restlessness, it makes the mind to be restless. So when your mind is restless, just in the second paragraph, as we cannot see our face in boiling water, and the same, when your mind is restless, you do not know what is good and bad. You cannot think properly, and so you will commit like the evil actions. Or it makes your mind to be restless, so you don't know anything actually when your mind is restless.
咁跟住嗰個咧就係吊詭嘅意思咧就係指咧即係唔穩定、動搖嘅狀態喐緊嘅狀態。咁呢個狀態咧其實就係指用一個比喻去講啦，就係譬如咧你對住煲滾水嘅時候咧，啲水不停咁喐，咁不停咁喐嘅時候你係睇唔到自己個樣咁如果啲水唔喐咧，好平靜你係睇到自己個樣咁喺呢個比喻之下，我哋咧就睇啦，當心咧好似滾水啲水啦，或者不停挑動嘅旗幟咁樣啦，咁我哋係睇得唔清晰，睇得唔清晰嘅時候，亦都睇唔到呢個真正嘅因果嘅運作，嗰個業嘅運作，咁於是乎咧就會產生混亂咁呢種混亂咧就會令到咧人咧係會做錯事㗎啦。
Now we go to the next, the important mental factor. So it is called lopa. So how do you translate lopa? Lopa? So if you don't know, you just look on page 76, lopa. So on page 76, we are coming to number 2, the second group. After the first group, we come with the second group. We call lopa 3. Lopa 3. So lopa 3 means 3 mental factors, with lopa as the leader now. And we also call them papancha dhamma. So because they extend around of rebirth. So the Buddha said, so long you have lopa, you will be born again. Don't worry whether you want to live or not. You will be born again and again. So in even the second noble truth, the Buddha said, lopa is the cause of all suffering. It's the cause of all suffering. Just be careful. It is the cause of maybe all your suffering. So lopa is also called tanha or raga. And tanha, the lopa, we usually translate it as greed. And for tanha, we translate as desire or craving. So here we put in another word, craving. Desire or craving. And also tanha, it also is translated as attachment. And raga is also is taken as attachment, and it is also called as lust, L-U-S-T, lust. Lust is raga. So these are all lopa actually. And we should know this lopa has the characteristic of only two characteristics. They say it is craving and attachment. Desire or craving and attachment. That is the two characteristics of lopa. So this lopa, it will never give up these two characteristics. So, in their desire or craving. Now as moha gives us the long vision, so making us to think all sense objects are pleasant and desirable. So lopa, crave for them, desire for them. So we desire for good food, also for good entertainment, for money, for power, for good job, for wealth, for cars, all luxury. So this is all lopa. Lopa is desiring all these. So you can never satisfy this desire or craving, because lopa, as soon as you can you get what it desires, then it will desire new things, many new things. So you can never satisfy this desire or craving. So you have to walk the whole life. How much money is enough? How much is enough? Very easy, as the Buddha answered there. The whole world on earth cannot satisfy one man's greed. The whole world on earth cannot satisfy one man's greed. And if you look the history, you can see it is correct. Those emperors like Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great, Genghis Khan, so they try to expand their empire. So, like Alexander the Great, he expanded his empire. So he came even up to India, up to Indus River. So when he cannot cross Indus River, he was disappointed. I have no more land to conquer, he said. No more land to conquer. So he liked to conquer more land. So that is lopa. However much you get, you will never be satisfied. Never be satisfied. And did Alexander become very happy to get all this big empire and great wealth? No, he drank too much. He died at the age of 33 years. Very young. No enjoyment, actually. So, and Mahatma Gandhi put it very beautiful. The independence leader, Mahatma Gandhi. So he said, our world, our earth has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for one man's greed. Very beautiful. If we share, all of us, as brother and sister, whatever we have, we share, then there will be enough for all the people to live happily, but not enough for one man's greed. Very beautiful.
跟住咧嗰三個心所咧就係呢個貪根嘅嚇，咁我哋叫貪根心所嚇，就包括第五、第六、第七啦，大家都睇到啦。咁呢三個咧就叫做 Rupa Tree 即係三個心所。咁佢哋咧係以呢個貪作為一個領導者嘅嚇。咁呢個貪咧，我哋通常就會話有呢個raga 或者叫貪啊，意思差唔多嚇。咁有少少唔同嘅。咁個 raga 咧嘅意思即係對呢個渴求咁解嚇，渴求。咁而呢個貪下咧就係指感官嘅慾望嚇，對感官嘅渴求。咁呢個貪咧夾埋嘅意思咧，就其實咧就有好多意思嘅嚇，包括慾念啦、執着啦、或者執取啦，乃至於感官嘅渴求啦嚇。咁通常咧我哋就會話係貪心咧就有呢啲咁樣嘅意思嘅嚇。咁呢個當我哋咧有咗愚痴作為一個基礎嘅時候，咁頭先嗰四個心所咧係痴嘅心所嚟嘅，由痴作為一個引導嘅心所，令到咧我哋咧係睇唔清楚事實，有一個錯誤嘅理解。咁建基於呢個錯誤嘅理解之下咧，我哋就會有貪求心啦。咁於是乎咧就會 對一啲唔真實嘅嘢產生一種嘅執着或者渴求，譬如咧呢一個娛樂啦，或者一啲物質上嘅啦，靚車啦、珠寶啦，如此類推。咁呢個貪咧嘅特性咧，就係永遠冇可能得到滿足嘅。即係佢好中意黐一啲嘢，去執着一啲嘢，但係咧佢另一個特性咧就係不能被滿足嘅。咁所以咧，如果一個人貪一樣嘢之後，當佢得到嗰樣嘢嘅時候咧，佢又會對另一樣嘢咧係產生呢個貪婪心。咁所以我哋會問啦嚇，假如一個人賺咗好多錢，咁幾多先至叫夠咧？係啊，咁佛陀就係一個好好嘅答案嚇，就係全世界嘅財富加埋一齊都唔滿足到一個人嘅貪欲心。咁點解滿足唔到咧？咁因為貪嘅本身啊，佢嘅特性就係不能被滿足。咁所以咧，就算攞晒全世界嘅財富，佢都唔會開心。咁喺歷史上有好多征服者啦，譬如亞歷山大大帝啦，咁佢由呢個希臘打到去印度啦，征服咗好多個地方。咁去到河邊嘅時候咧，佢冇辦法再征服落去啦。咁佢就覺得好唔開心。咁佢33歲就死咗啦。咁佢呢一種嘅貪欲心，根據貪欲心而推動佢去做嗰啲嘢咧，其實最後都係冇辦法令佢得到呢個滿足嘅。咁近代啦，聖雄甘地咧就曾經講過一句説話啦，就話咧，其實咧我哋呢個世界咧係有足夠嘅物質係滿足所有人嘅需求，但係即使係全世界嘅物質咧，都冇辦法滿足到一個人嘅貪求。咁呢句説話亦都反映咗呢個貪根心呢個 Rupa 嘅本質係點樣？
Now, when you watch the Chinese movies and the Korean movies, because you like to enjoy the sense pleasure there, so as you keep on watching, especially those movies, so they show only part by part. So the story is very long. So after watching 2-3 times, so you get attached to it, attached to the movie. So you cannot live without watching it. So become attachment. So this craving will give rise to attachment. So we are attached to ourselves and to our beloved ones, to our possession. So this attachment is also very great. So in the second paragraph of that, under Lopa, so we say the second nature of Lopa is attachment. And the nature of attachment is compared with the sticky nature of monkey catching glue, they say. Monkey catching glue here. So I just like to tell you about this. So like a hunter, he went into the forest to hunt some animals, but he didn't get any animal. Then on the very big tall tree, he saw some monkeys. So he said, as I didn't get any deers or rabbits or anything, I'd like to get that monkey. He wants to catch that monkey. So he has only bow and arrow. So though he shoot with the bow and arrow, so when it comes to there, you cannot kill the monkey. So what he did is, so he cut the trunk of the tree, and then he take the sticky gum, and then he hit them together. Then it becomes very, very sticky gum. So they call it monkey catching glue, they call it. So now he applied this gum, this glue. So he take it with the stick, and he apply on the trunk of the tree. So on the trunk of the tree, this gum. So those monkeys were very curious. They were watching what this man is doing. What this man is doing. So after he applied those gum, then he went and hid under behind a bush. So the monkeys see no man now. So they were interested. And now when the sun rises, when the sun fell on this glue, so it produces spectrum, like the rainbow spectrum, comes up. Oh, those monkeys, They are very curious, so they like to know, oh, what are that so beautiful? So they came down. Now they came down and then they try to touch. That spectrum, beautiful, many colors. So as soon as they touch it, so the glue is very sticky, so it gets stuck. So he cannot pull it. So when he cannot pull it, he tried to push with the second hand. So both hands are stuck. Then he tried to kick. So the other leg is stuck there. Another leg. So both the legs are stuck. So he tried to push it and get it. He tried to push it with the head. And the head also stuck. He cannot move anymore. So then the hunter can come and catch or kill this horse, this monkey very easily. So also we say on page 80, on page 80, the third paragraph there. So you should be careful of that. Remember that worldly people are being attached firmly by lopa to sense objects as well as to their possessions. They cannot renounce the world and their worldly possessions, including wives, husbands, sons, daughters. So they are being caught up by old age, disease, and death, life after life. So if Jessica asks you to come and meditate, you say, too early, next time. No, I will meditate, no, later, not now. So I have so many things to do. So you have, because of this lopa. No? Lopa asks you to do this, to get this. So you are never free to come and meditation. So remember, when you do not undertake meditation and you forget performing meritorious deeds, so when you are caught up with aging and death, you will be born in the woeful state. So it will be too late. Be careful of that.
咁呢個貪根身啦嚇，即係個貪心所咧，佢嘅特徵就係黏着啊。咁黏着啲乜嘢嘢咧？就係黏着一啲感官嘅嘢，感官嘅嘢。咁呢啲感官嘅嘢咧，一黏着咗之後產生呢個執着啦。咁好似我哋話睇一套戲咁樣啦，追嗰啲劇集啊，咁劇集咧就一集啦，個故事一路發展嘅嚇。咁我哋一路睇嘅時候咧，個執着就會越嚟越強，就慢慢建立咗出嚟嚇。原因咧就係我哋追嗰個劇情嚇。咁同樣道理啦，呢個感官嘅慾望咧，佢咧如果一黐咗落去咧，佢嘅執取咧就會慢慢建立起嚟，越嚟越多㗎。對一件事，就好似頭先嗰個例子咁樣樣。咁喺有個例子啦，就係嗰啲捉嗰啲馬騮嘅一啲膠啦。咁啲獵人發現咧，如果攞箭啊、弓箭射啲馬騮咧，射唔到㗎，連一啲樹啊啲擋住晒㗎。咁所以佢哋做嘅嘢咧，就係斬咗啲樹枝啦，咁然後咧就搽一啲捉馬騮用嘅嗰啲嘅黏液啊。咁然後咧，當太陽出嚟嘅時候咧，咁嗰啲黏液會出現好多種嘅唔同嘅光芒啊。咁嗰啲馬騮咧因為好好奇啦，佢就會攞隻手去試下，咁一掂咧佢就掹唔到出嚟。咁然後咧佢可能咧就想掹翻隻手出嚟啦，咁佢啲手腳全部都撐住棵樹想掹啦，咁結果就撐唔到啦。跟住攞個頭頂下去啦，咁結果頭都黐住咗啊。咁跟住獵人就出嚟捉咗佢哋啦。咁同樣道理啦，我哋喺世間法嗰度咧亦都有類似嘅情況啊。我哋咧因為呢一個貪心所嘅關係啦，會對一啲色香味觸法呢啲咁嘅感官嘅物質咧，就產生一個執取。咁呢啲執取咧一出現咗之後咧，佢係慢慢係越嚟越大嘅啊！即係頭先嗰個例子講啊，咁大到咧最後我哋冇辦法可以擺脫得到啊。咁譬如啦如果即係成日叫大家嚟禪修啊，咁咧你即刻會諗到十萬八樣嘢咧，就話好忙嘅，唔得閒啊咁樣啦嚇。咁你點解會有一種咁自然嘅傾向咧？原因就係呢一個貪心所出現咗嘅作用啊。咁令到你咧對呢個感官嘅嘢咧產生一種執取。咁當呢個執取出現，佢慢慢會加強到咧，你自然就冇辦法擺脫到佢。所以一叫你嚟禪修， 你咧即刻有好多藉口啊，或者我唔得閒啊等等嘅嘢啊，其實咧你係俾一啲嘢束縛住我，呢個嘢都係貪心所嘅特徵嚟。
So in this last paragraph, Lobha, together with his two great followers, that is Deti, the wrong view, and Mana, conceit or pride, they are responsible for extending the life cycle or the round of rebirth, which is known as samsara, the round of rebirth, that we are born again and again. We call it samsara. So on account of this fact, Lobha, Deti, Mana are collectively called Pancha Dhamma, the Dhamma that extend the round of rebirth.
咁有咗呢個貪心所之後咧，跟住落去咧就會有兩個心所會出現咗啦。第一個叫做邪見啦，呢度係 Diti 啦，第二個咧就叫我慢，或者叫慢啦，或者係 Mana。咁咧呢兩個心所咧一出現咗之後，呢三個心所夾埋一齊作用咧，就會令到我哋咧喺今期生命死亡之後咧，自然產生嘅力量咧繼續去存在㗎。咁呢個現象咧，我哋叫做輪迴啊，或者叫呢個神沙輪。咁所以咧呢一三個心所加埋啊，貪根心所加埋咧，其實就係話咧係一種嘅法，係推動我哋不停輪迴嘅法嚟嘅。
Now we go to the next mental factor, we call Deti. So, Deti literally means view or opinion. And when you combine it with Samma Deti, it means the right view. So if you believe in Karma and result, we say you have the right view, Samma Deti. And if you don't believe in Karma and result, we say you have Miccha Deti, the wrong view. So now this Deti that we are discussing now, so we are discussing it as an immoral mental factor, so you have to take it as the wrong view. And remember, the moha blinds us not to know karma and result. So we don't know if we don't learn the teaching of the Buddha that karma and its result exist. So we shall have the wrong view. And yesterday I told you this wrong view is the most heinous evil action. It will cost on the horizon immoral actions to arise. And it will multiply your immoral deeds that you have done. And when you die, so it will send you to the woeful state. So it's very dreadful actually. And then that is when we don't know karma and the result. And again, moha blinds us not to know that I, you do not exist. So we say anatta, not to know anatta. So the deity takes, I exist, you exist. And this is we call also the wrong view. And in the second paragraph there, in the second paragraph of deity on here, so there is a very good thing for you to note. The most basic and universal wrong view is personality belief. Remember this personal belief. In Pali we call Sakkaya Detti, or ego illusion Atta Detti. So these two are very closely related. Closely related. And we give them the meaning below. Sakkaya Detti believes that this combination of mind and body, or the combination of five aggregates, is I, you, he, she, man, woman, person, etc. And Atta Detti believes in the existence of an Atta or soul, or ego, or life entity. So these are the wrong view. These are the wrong view. So it is very serious, this wrong view. Because you think I exist, so everybody become very selfish. Very selfish, just like we say, the world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for one man's greed. So, why you become very greedy? Because of this I exist.
So it is important that I can live very, very, very well, very joyfully. So, this I. And the Buddha said, if you have this Sakkaya Ditthi, personal belief, when you die, you will not escape woeful rebirth. You cannot escape woeful rebirth. So that means and Our Lady Shadow said, if you have this Sakkaya Ditthi, personal belief, you have the ticket to hell. You have the ticket to hell. You just keep this ticket. So those who suffer in hell, when their term is completed, so they will be taken by the ferry, the coming back to human realm, and the ferry will take you to hell again. So we cannot escape hell. And that's why the Buddha said, the most important in life, so that is the most important thing now. Like we say, like the Leo Tolstoy, do not know the purpose of life. Now the Buddha said, the most important in life is to get rid of this Sakkaya Ditthi, personal belief. So remember what the Buddha said, even your head is on fire, and your chest is impaled by a spear. So before quenching that fire or treating the wound of the spear, you should undertake meditation to get rid of this Sakkaya Ditthi, personal belief. Otherwise, you may die and you may be born in the woeful state. Very difficult to regain the human existence again. So now, if you can undertake meditation and you can get rid of this personal belief, you can become a swing-winner. Straight away, you can enjoy the eternal bliss of Nibbana. How nice.
跟住咧就 Ditthi 啦即係見啦咁呢個見咧喺呢一度咧，其實佢專門指咧係邪見咁就唔係指正見咁解咁如果通常講正見嘅時候咧，就會有3萬喺前面如果冇咧就係指邪見咁樣。咁點解我哋知道係邪見咧？因為佢係貪根心所3個之一其中一個，即係話咧佢咧係建基於呢個痴，建基於頭先講啦痴根嗰4個心所入邊嘅。咁所以咧佢咧就睇嘅嘢咧係唔清晰嘅，係睇錯咗嘅嘢，係冇智慧嘅。咁由於有一種錯誤嘅觀點啦，所以咧佢就會當我哋呢個五蘊入邊咧係真係有一個實體嘅我存在咁譬如有一個自我存在嘅。咁頭先講到嗰句啦呢個世界咧係夠所有人所需嘅，但係咧就唔夠一個人所貪求嘅，唔能夠滿足到一個人嘅貪心嘅呢個世界所有嘅嘢。咁原因咧就係因為我哋有咗呢個貪心。咁點解有呢個貪心咧？就係因為我哋以為有一個實體嘅我存在。所以咧，我哋先有呢個貪心咁同樣道理啦呢個邪見咧，佢嗰個因為我哋係俾呢個邪見影響啦，所以我哋真係以為有一個自我存在嘅。咁一個自我存在之後咧，個貪咧就自然會嚟啦。咁呢個邪見咧喺阿毗達入邊咧，可以將佢分成咧呢個叫身見啦，或者叫我見啦或者叫我見咁就呢個身見咧，就講呢個我哋嘅精神作用同埋呢個物質作用咧，加埋一齊咧，喺個實體嘅自我。咁我嘅相對就係你啦，同埋佢啦或者男人女人等等嗰啲嘢咁呢個我見咧，就係指咧，我哋相信有一個靈魂或者一個自我嗰個人個格喺度啦咁喺個身體入面存在嘅即係靈魂嗰個本係個靈魂嘅存在。咁呢一個邪見咧，其實就可以將佢分類成為呢個身見同埋我見嘅。咁因為我哋有痴，因為有貪啦，所以咧我哋就以為咧有一個自我存在，跟住就執着於呢個自我嘅存在。咁喺佛教入邊咧，我哋咧好強調咧，就係生命入邊最重要嘅嘢咧，就係去除呢個身見呢個身見。咁原因咧就係建基於呢個身見之下咧，我哋好容易咧做下一個惡業，乃至於墮入呢個苦道譬如咧呢個地獄道。咁 咁所以咧，如果你未去巡邏呢個新建咧，你都會有機會咧喺死亡之後咧就墮入呢個苦道。咁就好似一張船飛咁樣啊。咁咧你咧就揸住張船飛，等住呢個去地獄嘅渡輪咧就翻嚟啦。咁翻嚟嘅時候咧，船上邊裝滿晒人啦嚇，因為呢班人咧就捱咗好耐啦，終於捱完啦，咁啊翻嚟啦，咁啊到你捱啦嚇，咁咧你就揸住呢個新建呢張飛咧，就去呢個地獄嗰度繼續到你捱啦咁樣嚇。咁所以咧佛陀話咧喺生命入邊最重要嘅就係去除呢個新建啊。咁咧佢話咧，即使你個頭着咗火，你嘅心口啊俾一支矛插住咗，你都唔好去救火同埋掹支矛出嚟啦，你都應該去禪修。嗱聲去除呢個新建，咁咧以致咧你唔需要咧再墮入呢個苦道。
Now the next one, mana. So we translate it as pride or conceit. You have to put one more word, pride or conceit, mana. So it is also the outcome of the wrong vision caused by moha. As the moha blinds our mind, so we see our body and mind as a person, as I. So also mana, it sees this person as I. But it is different from deity. In the way deity makes you to be very selfish. Now this mana makes you to be very conceited and proud. So we say mana looks on this person as I am the best, I know most, I have no equal in the world. So if your parents try to teach you, so those are sons and daughters who are very proud. Oh no, mother, you don't need to teach me. I know, I know already. So, like you know everything we think. That is pride. And again, this pride can be of three kinds. The Buddha said, pride or conceit is of three kinds. Equality conceit is called mana. So, equality conceit. So, two persons, they are equal, but they have pride. They have got the conceit. For example, two laborers, two workers, so they get they quarrel. So when they quarrel, they challenge each other. Well, you are a man, I am a man, I am not afraid of you. Come, I will challenge you. So we call that equality conceit. And then we say inferiority conceit is called omana, and superiority conceit is atimana. So now, like the worker and like the officer, so they quarrel. Now when they quarrel, so the worker, he has inferiority conceit. Though he is inferior to the officer, still he has his pride. So he said, "Oh, I am just a worker. I'm not afraid to lose my work, my job. I will challenge you." So if he challenged that, so that means inferiority conceit. And the officer says, "You are just a worker, not my equal. I don't take notice of you. I don't know." So that means he has the superiority conceit. And you can see in the world, just like when the Saddam Hussein was ruling the Iraq, so American try to teach him. So he said, "I am not afraid of you, you Americans. You come. We have very good trained, the army. We are trained in the desert. You come, your army. We will fight the desert war. We shall kill all of you." So that made inferiority conceit. So Americans said, "You are not my equal. I can conquer you anytime." So superiority conceit. And finally they fight. They fight. So we say, having pride is not a good virtue. Pride is not a good virtue. So as we have the saying, pride will have a fall. So you have a fall, and because you are very proud, even like did I tell you about the story of Khema Devi, the chief queen of King Bimbisara? No. So you translate first.
好，咁跟住咧，下一個咧就係呢個慢啦。慢咧其實另一個意思咧就係驕傲啊。咁呢個慢心咧嘅意思咧就係比較心咁解啊。咁咧佢背後嘅推動力咧又係呢個摩嚇啦，即係痴心啊。由於有無明嘅障蔽關係啦，我哋咧就以為有個實體嘅自我存在，人哋又有實體嘅自我存在。之後下一步嗱，之前咧就話會貪啦嚇，下一步咧就係會比較啦。咁比較喺各方面都會同人哋比較啦。咁咧如果你覺得如果兩個人覺得係相等嘅，比較之下相等嘅咧，就叫做我等啦。如果佢覺得好過人哋嘅咧，就叫做我勝啦嚇，我勝嘅慢啦嚇。咁如果覺得比人哋差咧，就叫做我劣啊，即係差過人哋嘅嚇。咁但係無論你係覺得好過人、差過人定係同人相等咧，都係一個比較心嚟嘅，都係傲慢心嚟嘅嚇。咁如果你係比人哋好嘅時候咧，咁就係一種嘅驕傲啊，即係我勝啦。咁當一個人同另一個人相處嘅時候，因為一啲事情衝突啊或者咩嘅時候咧，咁呢個慢心就會產生作用嚇。譬如咧一個工人或者一個經理啦嚇，咁咧個工人咧就同經理就住某啲事有啲唔同嘅意見。咁個工人咧個慢心就會產生作用嘅，咁個工人可能會出現呢個我劣心嘅嘛，就覺得OK 我差過你你讀書多我，咁唔代表你啱嘅我要挑戰你咁樣咁嗰個經理咧就可能對住個工人講啦個心入面咁諗啦你讀書咁少咁樣我叻過你，咁佢叫做我勝慢啦即係我叻過你咁樣。咁於是乎咧佢就都會向佢挑戰咁大家互相就產生咗爭執啦。咁其實背後咧就係由比較心嗰度作用嘅。咁另一個例子咧就係以前伊拉克嗰個獨裁者侯賽因啦，咁就同美國之間咁咧大家咧其實都產生咗衝突嘅。咁伊拉克個總統侯賽因咧佢嗰個叫我劣慢啦就佢覺得 OK 我係唔夠你嚟㗎，不過如果你嚟沙漠咧，我哋嘅軍隊咧都會打敗你嘅咁樣咁美國人咧就話你啲軍力咁差，你都夠膽同我咁樣我都要打敗你咁樣咁但係其實咧佢哋以上嘅例子都係講明咧，其實都係由嗰個慢心咧產生作用。
Like the Saddam Hussein, because of his pride, he had a fall. And during the time of the Buddha, at one time, the Buddha went into Rajagraha city for alms food. So accompanied by the Ananda, Venerable Ananda. So the Buddha usually lived outside the city in the rural garden. So he came into the city there. So just at the outside of the gate, he saw a little female pig trying to find food in the earth, so digging the earth with its mouth, So the Buddha smiled. So when the Buddha smiled, if the lips open up a little, so the bright light, the white light is emitted. So Ananda noticed it. So Ananda asked the Buddha, why did you smile? Well, did you see that little female pig? Oh yes. What's the matter with this pig? Well, this pig, 2 existences ago, she was a Mahabrahma, great Brahma, with very bright body rays. But now, just look, she became just a female pig, trying to find food in the earth. So Ananda asked, what's the reason? Well, 2 existences ago, she was the Mahabrahma with very bright body rays. But when she died, she was born in this Rajagraha city in a very rich family as as a woman, as a woman, and she is very beautiful. So when those Brahma, they were born as human beings, usually they were born in a rich family, and then they were very beautiful. Now everybody who met her, admire her. Oh sister, you are so beautiful. Oh no, my niece, you are so beautiful. Oh auntie, you are so beautiful. So she became conceited, proud and conceited. Well, if the people admire me to be very beautiful, I should remain very beautiful. So she tried to beautify herself most of the time. Just like Princess Diana of England. So when she was appear in the covers of the many journals, so she had to design new the clothing. So her clothing, they say, cost £1 million. Princess Diana. Just because to make yourself very beautiful, so that the people admire you. So you are conceited with your beauty. The same thing, this lady tried to beautify herself, tried to make new clothes. She forgot to perform meritorious deed. Just try to be conceited, happy with this. So when she died, she became a little pig, a female pig. So the ladies, be careful.
咁咧呢個慢心咧就會推動我哋做好多嘢啦。咁由於佢係不善心所啦，可能個後果非常嚴重嘅嚇。咁譬如頭先咧就舉個例啊，侯賽因咧因為驕傲個心啦嘗試同人比較啦，咁於是乎咧就導致佢嘅死亡啦即係墮落。咁所以咧英文入邊我哋話嗰個驕傲咧就會導致一個人墮落嘅原因就係呢個。咁跟住Doctor分享咗個故事咧，就係佛陀咧時代啦咁佛陀咧就有一日咧去王舍城嗰度堂會，咁咧佢就喺呢個城門口咧見到一隻豬乸，就話喺度畫啲泥啊，攞啲嘢食咁樣咁呢個時候咧，佛陀咧就起咗呢個生笑心咁所以咧佢就笑啦。咁佢笑嘅時候咧排牙好靚㗎咁於是乎有啲白光射咗出嚟啦。咁當時阿難尊者就見到啦，就問佛陀啦，點解佢會笑啦因為佛陀係唔會無就笑嘅，實有原因嘅。咁佛陀咧就見到嗰隻豬啦就同佢講啦，呢隻豬咧其實幾世前咧就係大梵天嚟嘅咁咧擁有非常之漂亮嘅身體同埋非常之光嘅體光咁當呢個大梵天過世之後咧，就輪迴啦，就嚟到呢一個王舍城入邊一個好有錢嘅家庭嗰度轉世，就變咗一個女人。呢個女人咧又非常之靚㗎。咁由於佢呢個美麗同埋佢以前做大梵天時候所累積翻嚟嘅呢一個慢心咧，佢咧就以自己嘅外貌同埋其他財富等等為榮㗎。咁於是乎有一種好強烈嘅傲慢心咁呢種傲慢心又推動佢咧，成日都要扮靚，即係 keep 住啊嘛，即係保持嗰種靚嘅心態。咁於是乎咧，佢就忘記咗去做一啲善業去累積多嘅善業。咁當佢虛耗晒之後咧，就落咗畜生道，變咗隻豬啦咁各位女士要小心啲。
Now we take just one more. On page 82 we have dosa. So dosa we translate as anger, hatred, and I think evil. You should put evil, and including aversion, you can put aversion. So evil is also dosa. And the Buddha said, this dosa is the most destructive element in the world. And actually, it is most destructive. And be careful before you destroy others. That anger dosa will destroy you first. So as soon as you become angry, your heart beats faster. Your heart beats faster. Your blood pressure will jump up. So that means if you have blood pressure, then if your blood pressure becomes very high, you will die on the spot. You will die on the spot. And just like the Second World War. So we say the Hitler, the Hitler started the Second World War. We usually say, and during the Second World War, Hitler he gave the order to kill all the Jews. All the Jews. So all the Jews in Germany, in Poland, and in the nearby country which are annexed by, seized by the Germany, all the Jews, they were killed. So they say more than 6 million Jews died because of the anger or the hatred of Hitler. So formerly Hitler was a poor man, they say. So he was very, very, he hated the Jews. He hated the Jews because the Jews are money lenders. So they make money by lending the money also. So he was poor, so he was not pleased with them. So when he had power, because of this anger, he gave just to kill. 6 billion people died. And again, we say this anger will make you very, like when you get angry, the heart beats faster. Why? Because when you get angry with another person, you are going to fight with him. So if you are going to fight, you need the strength. So the heart beats faster to send blood to all parts of the body, so that you become strong when you get the blood. 40% of the blood goes to the brain, they say, and the arteries that go that leads to the brain are very tiny arteries. When the heart pounds very hard, the pressure is great, so it can break those arteries. So if the arteries are broken, then you fall down dead, you can die immediately. And if by becoming angry, there is nothing to gain. You just lost. You will lose actually. Even if you are very beautiful. So as soon as you become angry, you appear just like an ogre or an ogress. An ogress or like a giantess, we say. So when I got my PhD degree in the United States at the age of 26 years, so I came back to Yangon University, where I was working as assistant lecturer at that time. So 26 years. So now the lecturer, and I promoted into lecturer, but I came back. So it's regarded to be quite young to be the lecturer. So I became quite popular at that time. So in one meeting, I met an English tutor. She is very beautiful. So I gave an offer. So after the meeting, may I take you home? Well, gladly she came with my car. So I took her to her house. So she got a quarter in the university compound. So I took her to there. So she invited me, please come up for a coffee. So I'm very glad to go out. Now, as soon as I sit in the parlor, so she saw the servant. She asked, did you wash the clothes I asked you to wash? So the servant said, no, I didn't have the time to wash yet. Then she scolded that servant, with many abusing language. So, and then I looked at her. So she became very angry. So her face became like an ogress. So slowly I just never come to her again. Never come to again.
咁咧，當我哋嬲嘅時候咧，呢一個心所產生作用嘅時候咧，我哋嗰個心跳會加速啦，血壓會升高啊。咁有啲人咧就咁樣就爆血管死咗啦。咁啊點解咧？就係、呢個嬲怒心一生起嘅時候咧，佢嗰個作用咧就係要對抗啊，要譬如咧打交咁樣啦嚇。咁於是乎咧嗰啲血個心跳會加速啊，將啲血咧泵多啲嘅嚇去肌肉嗰度啊，咁令到嗰個肌肉嘅力量加強啊。咁呢個時候咧，因為我哋有40%嘅血係去嗰個腦部㗎啊，所以咧係突然間加強咗個血壓咧，係好容易令到即係腦部咧係爆血管㗎啦。咁所以咧好容易死亡啊。咁呢個親心所一產生作用咧，嗰個破壞力係非常之大嘅啊。譬如咧，其中一個例子咧就係希特拉啦，佢喺2次世界大戰之前咧，咁未上台之前咧，未掌權之前係好窮困嘅。咁於是乎咧，佢就累積咗好多親心，就對呢個猶太人嘅親心。原因咧，佢覺得啲猶太人咧，純粹係透過借錢咧就可以賺取好多個錢，咁就累積咗好多財富，剝削咗好多人啦。咁於是乎佢呢個親心不停咁樣加強啊。咁然後咧，當佢掌權之後咧，就下令殺啲猶太人啦。咁結果據說咧就死咗6萬個猶太人啊。咁另一個例子咧就係話咧。當我哋呢一個親心一起嘅時候咧，除咗血壓會加速啊等等，即係血壓會高提升啦，或者心跳會加速之外咧，就無論一個幾靚嘅人啦啊，當佢喺憤怒嘅狀態之下咧，佢個樣都係好醜陋嘅啊，即係好似啲怪物咁樣，即係好似史力克咁樣嘅嚇個樣。咁咧咁頭先多塔舉咗個例子啊，佢後生嘅時候咧就曾經遇過一個情況嚇，有一個女同事啊，非常之靚㗎，英國嘅女同事，英國人嚟嘅。咁咧有一次咧就約佢飲咖啡啦，啊咁佢又好開心啦嚇，咁就去同佢一齊啦。